Hello student, welcome in my YouTube channel Science Classes. Today we discuss some important question based on the density formula. First, a very important question. This question many times asked in the board examination. What is the question? An element has a body-centered cubic structure with cell age of 288 picometer. The density of the element is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. How many atoms are present in 208 ग्राम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स? क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर हम उस एलिमेंट का 208 ग्राम लेते हैं तो उसमें कितने एलिमेंट है? एलिमेंट का स्ट्रक्चर बॉडी सेंटर्ड यूनिट सेल, एज लेंथ 288 पिकोमीटर, डेंसिटी इज 7.2 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. क्वेश्चन क्या है कि हाउ मेनी एटम्स प्रेजेंट इन द 208 ग्राम ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. अगर उस एलिमेंट का 208 ग्राम लेते हैं तो उसमें उस एलिमेंट्स के कितने एटम्स प्रेजेंट होंगे? फर्स्ट वी चेक द व्हाट इज द गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. एज लेंथ ऑफ यूनिट सेल इक्वल टू 208 पिकोमीटर, 288 पिकोमीटर. Convert it into the centimeter. 288 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter or 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Then volume of unit cell calculated by the AQ, 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube. This give the 23.9 into 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. Density of the element D equal to 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. Mass of the element is 208 gram. For the body centered unit cell, Z equal to 2. In the body centered unit cell, number of constituent particle is 2. This question solved by the two method. This question solved by the two method. Let us discuss the first method. First we calculate the molar mass of the element. Then we calculate the number of moles. After then we calculate the number of atoms present in the 208 gram of the element. So first we calculate the molar mass of the element from the density formula. Molar mass of the element M equal to D into AQ into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon Z. Value of density 7.2. Value of AQ 23.9 into 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon Z. Z equal to 2. On solving, we get the molar mass of the element is 56.13 gram per mole. Then number of moles equal to given mass upon molar mass. Given mass is the 208 gram. 208 upon molar mass 56.13. We get the 4.0. Number of moles of the 208 gram of element is 4.0. Nearly. सिंपली इसको हम 56.1 या नियर अबाउट 4.0 आएगा. नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10 to the power 23. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंटू नंबर ऑफ एटम्स इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10 to the power 23. वेर नंबर ऑफ किसी भी सब्सटेंस का नंबर ऑफ एटम्स कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम क्लास 11 में मोल कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़े हैं which is obtained by the multiplying number of moles into Avogadro number. Here the number of moles is 4 and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 this give the 24 into 10 to the power 23 or 2.4 into 10 to the power 24 atom. So the 208 gram of the element have the 2.4 into 10 to the power 24 एटम. अब हम सेकेंड मेथड देखते हैं. इस मेथड में हम क्या करेंगे कि डेंसिटी ऑफ द एलिमेंट एंड मास ऑफ द एलिमेंट आर गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. देन वी कैलकुलेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द 208 ग्राम ऑफ द एलिमेंट बाय डिवाइडिंग द डेंसिटी. volume equal to mass upon density. Then the volume of element obtained by the mass upon density 208 gram upon 7.2. On solving this give the 28.88 centimeter cube. Then the volume of element is the 28.88 centimeter cube. number of unit cell is obtained by the dividing volume of element upon volume of unit cell. Volume of element is 28.88 and volume of unit cell is 23.9 into 10 to the power minus 24. Put the value in the formula. 28.88 upon 23.9 into 10 to the power minus 24. This gives the 28.88 into 10 to the power 24. On solving, we have the 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 unit cell. Number of atoms equal to number of CP in the body centered unit cell into number of unit cell. Number of CP in body centered unit cell is 2 and number of unit cell we calculate 12.08 into 10 to the power 23. On solving, we have the 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 or 2.42 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. This is the answer of the question, example 1.3. This example is the most important example. Next question is the in-text question 1.15. In-text question 1.15. What is the question? A compound formed by the hexagonal closed pack structure. A compound forms hexagonal closed pack structure. What is the total number of watts in 0.5 mole of it? How many of these are tetrahedral watts? How many of these are tetrahedral watts? मतलब इस क्वेश्चन में क्या कैलकुलेट करना है कि 0.5 मोल्स एलिमेंट्स में कितने टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स होंगे, कितने ऑक्टाहेड्रल वाट्स होंगे और टोटल नंबर ऑफ वाट्स क्या होगा. Then we know that the number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2n and number of octahedral watts equal to n. First we calculate the number of constituent particle. Number of constituent particle calculated by multiplying the number of moles into Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Number of moles of the element is 0.5. Avogadro number is the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. We get the number of constituent particle n equal to 3.0 into 10 to the power 23. Number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2n. 2n equal to 2.2 into 3.0 into 10 to the power 23 equal to 6.0 into 10 to the power 23. Number of tetrahedral watts is 6.0 into 10 to the power 23. Number of octahedral watts equal to n, that is the number of total number of constituent particle, which is the 3.0 into 10 to the power 23. Number of octahedral watts is 3.0 into 10 to the power 23. Total number of watts equal to number of tetrahedral watts plus number of octahedral watts. 6.0 into 10 to the power 23 number of tetrahedral watts plus 3.0 into 10 to the power 23 number of octahedral watts. Then total number of watts equal to 9.0 into 10 to the power 23. Next, in-text question 1.14. What is the two-dimensional coordination number of square closed pack layer? Answer: coordination number of two-dimensional square closed pack layer is 4. Next, in-text question 1.16. A compound formed by the two element M and N. The element N forms CCP and atoms M occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral watts. What is the formula of compound? What is the formula of compound? मतलब कि N एटम CCP स्ट्रक्चर बना रहा है और M एटम टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स का 1 टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स का 1/3 पोर्शन कवर कर ले रहा है. तो फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? N एटम्स फॉर्म द CCP लैटिस. सो हमने पहले ही बताया था कि जो एटम CCP या HCP या कोई भी लैटिस जनरेट करता है उसको हम ऑलवेज कंसीडर करते हैं 1. तो N एटम्स फॉर्म द CCP लैटिस. सो लेट द नंबर ऑफ N एटम इक्वल टू 1. Number of n atom n, then this give the number of tetrahedral watts, then the number of tetrahedral watts equal to 2n. 2 into 1 equal to 2. Total number of tetrahedral watts is 2. Next, m atom occupy the 1/3 of the tetrahedral watts. m atom क्या है कि 1/3 पोर्शन ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स को कवर कर रहा है. हमारे पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स कितने हैं? 2 हैं. अब नंबर ऑफ एम एटम्स कितना हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रल वाट्स इनटू नंबर ऑफ ऑक्यूपाइड पोर्शन. 2 into 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. That is the number of M atom. Formula of compound is M2 by 3 N or M2N3. Formula of compound is M2N3. In the examination, all of you write only the formula of compound M2N3. In the examination, all of you write only the formula of compound M2N3. That is the sufficient answer. आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं कि पूरा सॉल्व करके आप एग्जाम में दिखाएं ही. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, पता है कि फार्मूला ऑफ कंपाउंड M2N3 आएगा, तो आप सॉल्व करके उसको लिख दीजिए, क्योंकि यह क्वेश्चन 1 नंबर में ही पूछा जाएगा. तो 1 नंबर में आपका इतना आंसर सफिशियंट है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, this question is also an important question. That is the in-text question 1.18. What is the question? An element with the molar mass 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram per mole forms a cubic unit cell with edge length 405 picometer. If its density is 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube, what is the nature of the cubic unit cell? आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना? नेचर ऑफ द क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल. फर्स्ट गिवन द डेंसिटी, given that density is 2.7 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Molar mass of the element is 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram per mole. Edge length is 408 picometer. All value is given in the kilogram and meter. So the edge length A converted into the meter, that is give the 408 picometer converted into meter. We have the 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter or 4.08 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Volume of unit cell equal to AQ, 4.08 into 10 to the minus 10 whole cube. We get the 67.91 into 10 to the power minus 30 meter cube or 6.79 into 10 to the power minus 29 meter cube or 6. On round off, we have the 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 29 meter cube. That is the volume of unit cell. To calculate the nature of unit cell, we calculate the number of constituent particle Z, value of Z. टू कैलकुलेट, हमने पहले भी आपको बताया था कि जब भी आपसे नेचर ऑफ यूनिट सेल पूछा जाए तो हमें हर समय क्या कैलकुलेट करना रहता है? जेड, नंबर ऑफ कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल जेड की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी रहती है. अब फ्रॉम द डेंसिटी फार्मूला, जेड इक्वल टू डी इंटू ए क्यू इंटू 6.022 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 23 अपॉन एम. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ, पुट द ऑल दिस वैल्यू 2.7 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 3 into 6.8 into 10 to the power minus 29 volume of unit cell multiplied by the Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon molar mass M 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2.7 से 2.7 कैंसिल हो गया, या 10 to the power minus 3 जब ऊपर जाएगा तो 10 to the power plus 3 में हो जाएगा. Then we have the 6.8 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 29 into 10 minus 29 into 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 3. All these value have the 10 to the power minus 29 into 10 to the power minus 29 plus 29. 10 to the power minus 29 cancel out by the 10 to the power plus 29. Then we get the Z equal to 4.08 or nearly 4. If the constituent particle is 4, then the unit cell is face centered unit cell. We have the Z equal to 4. So the nature of unit cell is the face centered cubic unit cell. That is the answer of the question. अब next student, अब only 2 topics of this chapter are remaining. First, imperfection or defect in the crystalline solid. Second, magnetic and electrical property. In next 3 or 4 classes, this chapter are complete. Thank you for watching.